Hello and welcome to KnowledgeCity's course on Microsoft Word 365 Beginner. My name is Amelia Griggs and I've been teaching and supporting Microsoft Office topics for over 20 years. I will be your instructor for this course, leading you through the lessons. This is an introductory course, so it is appropriate if you are a beginner or intermediate user of Word, or if you have never used Microsoft Word or any other word processor before. If you have already used previous versions of Word, you will benefit by seeing the latest functionality in Word 365. In this course, you will learn how to launch Word, identify and customize components of the Word interface, create documents, and edit, format, and save your documents. By the end of this course, you'll also be familiar with Word options and be able to customize the ribbon as well as the quick access toolbar. This course is organized in a step-by-step process. Each chapter is divided into a series of lessons, with each lesson building on the previous one. Therefore, we recommend going through the course materials in the order they are presented, especially if you have little or no experience with Word. Thanks for watching. In the next few lessons, I'll explain the Microsoft Word interface screen components and how to create professional documents quickly and easily using Microsoft Word 365. Now let's get started.